Welcome back, STEM team. My name is Anya and this is my video presentation for the SIT102 High Distinction project. For my submission, I developed a CIPHER encryption and decryption system using C++ and SplashKit. And I also made a contribution to the SplashKit IO website in the form of a tutorial for constructing a similar program. The CIPHER is a classical matrix-based encryption technique that uses matrix and modular arithmetic to transform messages back and forth. My project has two core goals. The first one is practical, that includes building a fully functioning C++ program that can encrypt and decrypt messages using matrix-based logic. The second one is educational, because by sharing code and explanation to it, I help students with intermediate-level coding skills to understand how cryptography and programming intersect. For this project, I applied knowledge from the Discrete Mathematics unit, Programmer's Field Guide, and personal research, as some coding concepts like char to integer conversions, casing changes, and modular arithmetic for division haven't been covered in SIT102. I built the entire program from scratch, including all conversions, matrix operations, and interactions with the user. I also added meaningful comments as guidance for the code. Then I created a tutorial document following the syntax and conventions of a Markdown language, forked a repository to my GitHub, and in a new branch made a commit with a pull request. Currently, Olivia McKeon and I are working together to complete the merge and make my section accessible to the users. Let's talk about the programming itself. The project is broken into clearly structured components. In the character conversion section, I implemented two functions that map character to numbers and back using ASCII logic and modular 26 wrapping. This handles both encryption and decryption, while being case insensitive with the use of two upper function. A major challenge was implementing the inverse matrix function. I calculated the determinant of a 2x2 matrix and then validated it with a modular inverse function that is an essential component for inversing matrices when working with moduli. The core of the project is CIPHER function, which reads the input message in groups of two characters, applies matrix multiplication, and then returns the transformed string. It even handles the odd-length messages by appending an X at the end of the message. In the main function, I created an interactive console where the user inputs a custom key matrix, chooses between encoding or decoding, and the system processes their message accordingly. All this demonstrates both my planning and coding capabilities while ensuring clean, readable logic. Now, what makes this project worth a HD level? First of all, it's the creative scope. I went beyond the unit's requirements by incorporating complex matrix logic and cryptographic theory, which involved additional learning around number theory and matrix algebra. Secondly, tutorial contribution. I created a professional tutorial page for the SplashKit community called CIPHER Encryption and Decryption, hosted as a Markdown file on GitHub. I forked the SplashKit Starlight repository, wrote the guide, included full source code and explanations, and submitted a pull request, which has already passed checks and has been reviewed by my tutor Olivia McKeon. And thirdly, community value, because this project isn't just a submission, it's now part of a public knowledge base, allowing others to learn from my code. Throughout this trimester, I discussed this project multiple times with my tutor Olivia and her assistant Saloni. In the end, I didn't just build a project. I created a tool that works, educates, and adds value to others. Thank you for watching, my STEM family. See you all in the next video.